Why you should trust only excellent references, a reference that you can question. Recently, in a Google BARD demonstration live from Paris, the Google BARD, which is a chatbot based on artificial intelligence, was asked a question about James Webb Telescope. Now, a very factual question was stated wrong. Can you understand the reason behind it? The simple reason was it picked up the information directly that came from the internet. Now, when Google itself cannot save oneself from incorrect representation of information, how we as a student would save. So it's extremely important that you go through trustworthy sources. Don't refer anything that comes blindly on internet. Here we do provide ask a question facility, and this ask a question facility actually helps you to get your doubts resolved for any query that you raise from the portal. Thanks for joining in.